Most welcome to all of you at my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss regular and irregular verbs. Regular and irregular verbs. The regular verbs are those that form their past participle VED. It means verb plus ed form by adding the morpheme D. Morpheme means ed or d in the end of the verb. Look at examples. Jump, look, have. We have added ed or d in the end of these words. And another topic is irregular verb. The irregular verbs are those that do not form their past or past participle with the d morpheme. It means we have do not added d or ed in the end of their another shape. For example, we have base verb sing, be, write, but we do not write their same or exact tone because we changed their second and third form in another words. For example, first form of verb be is be, but second form is was were and third form is been.